Hello, friends. So INICET is over, and I know it was not the typical AIMS exam or PJ exam. It was a mixed bag exam. It was kind of expected also when four institutes come together to settle one exam. So every exam will put one shade into that. So that's what you face during the exam. But I would say, what shall we do at this juncture? We should focus on NEET PG. That's the clear cut answer. Will NEET PG will have similar pattern? No, because NEET PG has got a different board, and the board name is National Board of Examination. It has got a clear cut, history, mandate, and the pattern of the questions, which is very clearly visible in last two or three session. The paper is clinically oriented. The paper has got a lot of integration of basic sciences with the clinical sciences. So let's keep on preparing without wasting any single day for the main target we have, which is NEET PG. May God bless us all with good rank in INICT, but we cannot really rely on only INICT because exam has been a little different. So let's not keep on wasting time that shall we review the strategy for NEET PG or shall we continue with the NEET strategy? I think let's march ahead, let's walk forward from here, and without wasting a single day, let's keep on revising as we were planning to revise, not to really change the strategy over here. But one thing is clear, the paper, future expected NEET PG paper will be a lot of integrated paper, lot of you can say clinical scenario based question will be there. So we have time. Let's invest each and every day for the revision, multiple number of time as much as possible, so that we are able to target the biggest rank possible in the main target exam, which is a NEET PG. So the only humble message to all of you would be, do not dissect INICT, focus on NEET PG and continue with the same strategy as we had been discussing in last many months. Okay, thank you very much. May God bless your hard work. Bye bye.